In this lesson, we'll discuss the Aufbau procedure. This is the second rule used to determine how electrons distribute themselves in a multi-electron atom. The Aufbau procedure tells us that electrons fill orbitals according to the n plus L rule. This means that electrons will fill orbitals according to the value of n plus L for every subshell, from the lowest value to the highest value. If two subshells have the same value for n plus L, the subshell with the lower n will be filled first. Let's see what this looks like. We'll first calculate the n plus L values for all subshells up until 5s. N plus L for 1s is equal to 1 plus 0, giving us 1. For the 2s subshell, it's 2 plus 0, giving us 2. For 2p, we have 2 plus 1, giving us 3. So on and so forth, we get the following values for n plus L. Now time to order them. 1s has the smallest value, so we know that it will be filled first. This is followed by 2s. We then reach 2p, which has an n plus L value of 3. We can see, however, that the 3s subshell also has an n plus L value of 3. But since 2p has a smaller n, 2p will come first, followed by 3s. Next comes 3p. After 3p, we can see 3d has an n plus L value of 5, while 4s has a value of 4. This means 4s must get filled before 3d, so we'll put 4s next. Now 3d, 4p, and 5s all have n plus L values of 5. Thus, we'll order these from lowest n to highest n. This gives us 3d, followed by 4p, then 5s. This just leaves us with the 4d subshell to be filled last, as it has an n plus L value of 6. An easy and convenient way to remember this filling order is by writing out the following triangle. It lists all the subshells in order of increasing n. From here, drawing diagonal lines starting from the top right towards the bottom left will give you the filling order. So 1s will be filled first, followed by 2s, then 2p and 3s, and so on and so forth.